We've got Brett from Queensland's 6x6 build here. It's a 6x6 conversion on a single cab 79 series and a full fit out of accessories with a hard lid camper on the back. Let's break it down and go through some of the modifications we've done on this vehicle. Starting up the front with the bar work, we've got the ARB large tube bar work. We've got the colour coding on there to make it look nice and neat. Fitted up a set of Ultravision 140 Max lights, the worn VR Evo winch with a Factor 55 Ultra hook. Then we've got the ARB bash plate and recovery point underneath. Moving along, we've got the ARB Summit side rails and steps to match up with the bar, which has also been colour coded in the 1F7 silver. Moving on to the back, we've got the Jackson's Australia custom tray, built to suit the length of the 6x6 with under tray toolboxes. Then we've got our canopy and our hard lid camper. The canopy inside has plenty of storage, a standalone battery system with the Red Arc BMS and lithium batteries, a couple of spare tyres, and then in our camper, provisions for fridges, more dual batteries, storage, pantry and kitchen on the other side, and obviously our camper up the top. These boxes have been colour coded to match in with the car and look really neat and tidy. Now the major part of this build, the 6x6 conversion from Jmacx. Starting with the full chassis replacement from the cab back, we put the 6x6 chassis on, and then starting installing all of the driveline and suspension. So this features 3 driving axles, brakes on all axles, and it's triple locked as well, so we've got diff locks on all 3. Part of the 6x6 conversion includes the heavy duty diff housings, suspension upgrade with the Jmacx Alpha shocks, full 3.5-inch torque with exhaust system, brake upgrades including braided lines and a hydro booster. The chassis also has a long range tank built in, the rear winch cradle, and also a heavy duty tow bar as well. Hey guys, we're halfway through the video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell. It makes a huge difference. Up the front, we've also got the Jmacx suspension to match the rear, including the Alpha shocks and the radius arms. As part of the 6x6, we've got to put on some heavy duty rims and tyres. Brett's gone for the BF Goodrich All-Terrain tyres and the ROH Hammer wheels, which give us a suitable load rating and match the sizing on the new tyre placard. Inside, we've done a full sound deadening package of the cabin. We've done a Alpine stereo upgrade, which is a 9-inch head unit with speakers and pods and a reverse camera. Then we've got the console here, which is part of our automatic transmission conversion. It's a wholesale automatics kit, which gives us a 6-speed automatic transmission, the console with our shifter, and our computer to control it all as well. With the combination of the auto and the 6x6 conversion, we're able to achieve a 5,800 kilo GVM with a 4.5 tonne towing capacity and a 10,300 kilo gross combination mass. We've fitted up a set of gas struts. We've done a whole heap of wiring in the engine bay and in the rest of the car with custom 12-volt fit-out and fuse panels. Done driveline protection with diff breathers, transmission and transfer case. And then we've also done a fuel filter and a catch can as well. That's about all for this one, guys. It's turned out really nice. We're very happy with the build. Brett, thank you so much for choosing Jackson's 4x4 to bring your dream to life. We hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.